How to access secure folder on Samsung device. Samsung phone has an option called secure folder. It is an app. It allows you to hide and lock apps and provide you with extra level of security and privacy. Now in order to access that, simply head over to your settings. Now hit search and just type in secure folder. You may also find it under security and privacy. Now tap on secure folder. And here is the button called secure folder. After you tap on this, you'll be redirected to a login where you simply have to set up your device by simply setting a password so that none of other can remember it. Now after you tap in the password, your app will open and you can add any apps and any other private stuff. So if I tap in secure folder now, due to security reason, it will block this video. So you just have to tap on this button and your setup is complete. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.